Hello and welcome to Tech Helpline. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can change your password in Temu. Or if you want to add a password in Temu, this is the video for you. First of all, open temu.com on your Chrome or Edge browser and then log into your account. Now click on your profile, which you can see on the top right hand corner, and go to your profile. Now, if it is not in your profile, go to your account security, which is over here. You can see the password is over here. Go ahead and click add and write down a password of your choice. After writing down the password, click submit and you can see that the password has been added. Now to change the password, let me show it to you once again guys. Open temu.com, click on your account or your profile over here and go to account settings or account security. You can see the password over here. Go ahead and click edit, write down your old password and write down your new password. After writing down your password, if it is secure and it is strong, you can click submit. This way you can successfully edit and change your password in your Temu account. I hope this video about how you can change your password in Temu was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.